Hello friends, I am Sham Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss in PHP and simple in HTML, just you can say in HTML how to upload a image or any file and how to download a file from server. So in this video we will discuss, there are two part. One part is upload the file on server and download that file from the server, or simple using the HTML script, just how to download that thing. All this thing we will discuss in this video, and this video I am making on a special request my subscriber Bappi Devan, and he asked me in the comment box, about how कि इसको कैसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, डाउनलोड लिंक कैसे दे सकते हैं, एटसेट्रा. यू कैन वॉच इट. So he request me to do, and I respond him to do such a thing. So I am making for him, okay, and also for you all subscriber and all viewers, those who are watching this. Okay, let's start. First of all, you have to on your XAMPP control panel, start and start. Okay, these three are all stopped because here start and it is the on. And how to download and install this XAMPP control panel, and the link I will paste in the description box. But in the download button there is no need to server, but if you want to upload the file on server, then you need this XAMPP server. Okay, XAMPP. Okay, and until unless you are just downloading this thing, then there is no need. Okay, so let's say I am navigating to my what root directory, that is nothing but htdoc, and inside the htdoc upload download, I upload download name folder I made it, and once the abc and once the file download. So first of all I use how to upload the file. Then if I right click and open it with notepad, you can open in any browser. Yes, I came here, and first of all I will write here the HTML script, then HTML open tag, and here I will head title and file upload, you can say, and inside this this is the title, and now body start, and now form tag. Here the most important thing, abc.php, and this name, this action should be must be equal to abc.php. Here also you have to mention abc.php. It does mean whenever the form will submit, where it will go, this action where it will perform, then that address will be put at here, and which method we are using? Post method. You can also use get, but it's not secure, but it fast, and post method is secure but less fast. Okay, and encryption type, ink type, multipart form data, what is the mean of that thing we will cover in another video. I am not the mean to explain that thing, but our mean is that how to upload the video using this thing. Okay, yes, input type, yes, input type, usually what we write here, input type equal to text, input type equal to password, input type equal to nothing, anything, but here I am using what? File. It does mean what? Any file I can upload, image, pdf, zar, zip, any file you can upload if you put like that. Okay, and the unique name of this I made it my file because I want to fetch that file. Okay, and another file is a input tag, and the type is submit button, and name is upload, and value is send, because on upload button the message or the name displayed, that is send, and in next the form I have closed, Okay, and in now next line body is closed and HTML I will closed in a next part. Why? I am starting the PHP script. Inside I will write how to upload the video, or how to upload the any file, video, audio, any file format you can upload. Okay, PHP start tag, and inside I am creating the name variable, and $_file, this is the super global variable. And what does it mean, super global variable? It is acceptable everywhere in the script and outside the script. You can access also outside the script, in everywhere it will acceptable. But local variable dollar name, it is the only accessible inside this script. Okay, so it is the super global variable, dollar underscore post, dollar underscore get, dollar underscore request, and dollar underscore file, and etc. It is the super global variable. So it is written in capital letters and dollar underscore, and here the pass the name what I have passed, and it is the 2D array, and it is the 2D array. So again I am passing the name of that particular value, name of that, this is the value, and this is the particular name of that thing. Okay, and in another file, this is the another variable, and it is also the super global variable, and inside the, again passing the name of the file and temporary name, temp file you can also say that, nothing but it is the 2D array, and it is also accepting the temporary file data at we will upload here. But here I am not uploading on the PHP MyAdmin MySQL database or Excel or anything, because I am just using on a temp file only for that. Okay, and just if yes, this function is most important, move underscore uploaded underscore file, and this error if reflect on browser, then your website is also vulnerable, your website is also vulnerable. Okay, so it is the it is also the risky point of view, and you can say just for what or nothing but the vulnerability also it's mentioning that. But I am not talking about the cyber security, and how it is the risky I will explain in another video. And inside this move uploaded file, that file will be move to upload, that's all. And what will I upload? First parameter, it is the nothing but the this parameter that will hold the 2D array my file, and another it is the also my file and name. Okay, both local parameter I have passed in it. Okay, and now you will find start the body of if, and inside echo file are uploaded, and now the echo that will you find image. I have made it source the image. You can also give here the anchor and etc, whatever you want to display it. If you want to display what PDF file, and it will not display, because here the image source I am pasting inside the echo, because I am running the HTML script inside the PHP script. Okay, and this is the name variable, and it is the local variable. Okay, and inside local variable global property are inserted. Okay, and width of that image is this, and height of image is this, you can. Okay, and now the if body is closed, and now the else part, if this file are not uploaded to move, then else part I will say the echo file not uploaded, close else, and yes, and everything is completed. Okay, so let's try it. Run, go to and launch in Chrome. Okay, so I am taking it on the browser. Okay, and I am passing the localhost. Okay, localhost, and here I will upload some files. Because this error is because empty. And how to remove that error? Nothing but the error reporting. Okay, error, what is the spelling? Error underscore error reporting, and just inside pass 0, and control S and go, and this notice will be removed. Yes, file not uploaded mention. Okay, I am choosing some file to upload here, and I will show inside this only two script, and only this two PHP or HTML script are present. Any file is not presenting, and and I am also refreshing it. Okay, I am also refreshing it, and I will upload, and once file will be come here. Yes, one file will be come here. How to that? Just I am choosing that, and how to choose that? Yes, so which file I want to upload, which file, just I will upload the Chrome image, you can say, or just some file, PDF file, you can say, PDF guess, or which file I will, last MST I am uploading, last MST, this is the file, or you can also another file, that is the nothing but any special file is here for you. Okay, nothing wave optics, this is the file, and just upload. It is also PDF I am going to upload. Okay, wave optics on final PDF. And if you go to the send, yes, it will complete in the XAMPP folder. It will complete in the XAMPP folder, and it will not displaying because it is not image. Okay, one thing I will again upload the image. One thing again I am uploading the image. And how to choose it? How to choose that? One, choose the file, that is the Chrome image, or a simple which image you are finding anywhere your image is. Just a Python image I am uploading, this Python image, and just open it, Python image, and just I am if I send, then yes, Python images are also displaying on the browser, and it will also displaying inside what, inside the server folder htdoc, and this is also uploaded. But and now we will move on the download file, and how to download that thing as per my subscriber request. So Bappi Devan is this program is for you. Okay, and file download I am opening now, opening with the, and it is the very simple, friend, nothing but. Okay, first of all, your nothing but this is the one more important file, and what will happen, HTML. Okay, and head tag you can say, and it is the very common property. You can watch this, then we will make it. Okay, but inside the body tag only you have to use only one. There is a no server, there is a no PHP. You can also use the HTML file. You can also HTML, only one line you will upload, and which file you have to pass that path, and which file you want to download. So I am downloading this Python image. Okay, so first of all, how to just a Python image, or simple, if you not space and not counted, go to the security and just Python image up to .png. Just copy it and paste the inside my nothing but the, yes, Python image.png, and here you have to use the attribute download only. That is the important download attribute inside the anchor tag, that is a tag, and href hyper reference. It is the path of your file, where it is your file, that file, it is a path of that file. And here you will yes, download, you can type here image, download image. Okay, control S, and go to the run. Okay, this is only in a few seconds, that is only in a few seconds, because it is the PHP file. So I will run on localhost though, so I am taking that thing. Yes, and here the one, download image, it is visible or not, friends? It is visible or not, friend? And here if I download it, and yes, I clicked, and what happened? Yes, going on, yeah, download is asking. So Python download, I am downloading it on my desired folder on desktop, and I will make the download image. I will make the new folder, that is download image folder. Okay, download image folder. Okay, and inside that folder, I will open download image, that folder. Yes, and inside I will download it. Yes, it is downloaded it, and here it is also downloaded here. And if you go to my desktop, and where is the my download folder? Yes, go to here, and in this is, yes, and Python image are inserting, and inside that thing again I will pass here is what, wave optics final PDF. How to download that thing? Again go to the property, and path this last path PDF. Okay, control C, just right click and control copy. Okay, cut it and go to the your file download.png and paste the path, control V. Okay, and download here, just type the PDF. Okay, just type the PDF and control S, and again go to the refresh, and again go to, yes, download PDF. Okay, and again I am downloading final dot in the same folder. Okay, save, and also, yes, it is also downloaded, so go to that folder, where is my folder? Yes, PDF is also. So downloading and uploading, both process I have explained in this video. So if you like it, then please just like and subscribe, share. Thank you, bye bye, we will meet soon again.